Hello, today I'm making Pico De Gallo. If you're new to our channel and would like to see more of our videos, please like and subscribe. In your food processor, add your tomatoes, your peppers, onions, garlic, and seasonings. Just give a quick blend. Next, add in your cilantro, sea salt, and you should also add your lime here, but we forgot, so we added that later, and then another quick blend. And here's my husband adding the lime at the end. If you have another Pico De Gallo recipe you'd like to share, please add in the comment section below. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to be notified of upcoming videos.